Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you all are doing? Fine, dear ninth standard students. So, okay, we stopped at cytoplasm in the last class, chapter fundamental unit of life. Dear students, so we go forward now. Why the ninth class students have no seriousness towards the study? You see, I'm observing 13 members joined. Last class only 25 members, and first class was around 5 to 6 members only. We need to take some actions to you. Okay, let's see. I want Deepa,
Sir,
Deepa to
page
read.
number.
See page number, no, cytoplasm. Okay, cytoplasm. The topic cytoplasm you should read, and we will study that.
Okay, sir. When we look at the temporary mounds of onion peel as well as human cheek cells, we can see a large region of each cell enclosed by the cell membrane. This region takes up very little stain. It is called the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cell organelles, which each of these organelles performs a specific function of the cell for the cell. Cell organelles are enclosed by membranes. In prokaryotes, beside the absence of defined nuclear region, the membrane-bound cell organelles are also absent. On the other hand, the eukaryotic cells have nuclear membrane as well as membrane-enclosed organelles. The significance of the membranes can be illustrated with the example of viruses. Viruses, like any membranes, and hence do not show characteristics of life until they enter a living body or use its cell machinery to multiply. These questions, do I have to read them also, sir? Sir, you're mute, sir. Your audio is mute, sir. I'm not able to hear you.
Sir, your audio is mute, sir.
Sir, you're not audible, sir.
Sir, sir, your mic is off.
Sir, mic is off, sir. Your.
Sir, mic is off.
So sorry. So sorry, it happens. So listen, students, we are here. In a cell, nucleus will be there. We have seen prokaryotic and eukaryotic difference. Also, we have seen. Okay, perfect. This is a perfect eukaryotic cell. What was the matrix present here? Watery matrix, what we call. Watery matrix, what we call. These all are this the thing here, the thing, but it's a cytoplasm. It's nothing but a cytoplasm. Okay, it's a matrix inside the cell. Okay, which the cell, the cell membrane is enclosed with a matrix called plasma membrane. Plasma. The another mean here, what we say, the plasma is also called cytoplasm. Okay. Now, next, see, this is what we see. The cell organelles, everything will be floating in this. Okay, I would like to show you a video. I'll attach a video association with this, and I hope so. You have seen with the in the YouTube channel videos I have also sent to you. I think might have sent to you from the office, might be sent to you. But I'll upload here also a video. You all go on seeing that. In that you will understand a picture of cytoplasm how it will be. It's a mobile, so no, it's very mobile. Like blood in our body, it's like cytoplasm here. Whatever the materials are present here, they may not form later here. They may go anywhere or anywhere in the cell, what we call. It's very mobile one. So all the cell layers will be floating in them. Okay, it's like floating in them. all cell organelles, we have seen first of all the nucleus, right? The significance of membranes can be illustrated with the example of viruses. Viruses lack many membranes, yeah, and they do not have any cytoplasm. If they don't have cytoplasm, they don't contain water in them. If they don't contain water in them, there will be no process like DNA replication or whatever. So hence, viruses are dead outside the body of a living organism. Whenever the viruses enter into the living body, like us, what happens? They become activate because they get water. No, they get not only they get their water, they get all the nutrients also, whatever required for a virus to multiply 1 to 1,000, 1,000 to crore. Okay, hence viruses are non-living. They don't have cytoplasm outside the host. What is the host? We are the host. That means we give nourishment to virus, right? So we are the host. It depends upon us, right? We are the host. Basics, these all things are host, nutrition, cell, cytoplasm. So the basic for your all science life towards, okay? Further, what is there? You should all maintain these all things in your mind. Fine. Muhammad Rehan should read next cell organelles.
Which, sir?
Cell organelles after cytoplasm.
Yes, sir. Every cell has a membrane around it to keep its own contents separate from the external environmental. Large and complex cells individually cells from multicellular organisms need a lot of chemical activities to support their complementary structure and function. Keep these activities of different kinds separate from each other. These cells use membrane bound little structures or organelles within themselves. This is one of the features of the eukaryotic cells that uh, dis, distin, dis, di-
Stop.
distin, yes, sir.
So this is say, when cell or cell membrane. This is called cell membrane. It's an animal cell. Keep in your mind. Animal cell
Yes.
is it. There's no cell walls. It's mute of Muhammad Rehan.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is the cytoplasm. So this is the what do you say membrane. It is a cell, so it is called cell membrane. Cell membrane contains plant also, animals also, but in extra, along with the cell membrane, you will see what wall here for plant cells. All plant cells are plants also have variety of cells in them. As we have humans, we have many cells. Okay, neuron cells, digestive smooth muscle cells, cuboidal cells, sperms. Many we have ovum, eye cells. In the eyes we have colorful cells actually. Hence only we are able to see colorful things in the universe. Fine. All are listening, I think so. Follow here, dear students. So the cell membrane enclosed, whatever materials are there inside, these all are cell organelle. Organelle, see, cell organelle. Okay. Organelle is a plural form. Organelle is a okay, sorry. And organelle is a singular form. Organelle is a plural form. Okay, fine. This is one of the features of the eukaryotic cells that distinguish them from prokaryotic cells. Some of these organelles are visible only with an electron microscope. First of all, a human cell is the very smallest. How much smallest I have explained you last class. Okay, just a second. Someone is chatting and something is doing here. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, listen all of you. So, listen all of you. What we were saying, cell organelle, yeah. It's the remarkable feature of eukaryotic cells that distinguish from prokaryotic cells. Some of these cell organelle are visible only with an electronic microscope. Electron microscope, why? Because it can enlarge, look at here everyone, it can enlarge to nano level, nano level images it can take. It's very wonderful thing actually. In Hubli we have 4 to 5 only electron microscope. Each electron microscope each electron microscope may cost 5 to 6 crore rupees. So here in the very research center only we have electron microscope only for the well developed doctors. So next I want Rihan. Rihan,
Hello, sir. Sir.
yeah, read.
Which one,
Cell
sir?
organelle, second paragraph. Cell organelle, second paragraph.
We have talked about the nucleus in a previous section. Some important examples of cell organelles which we will discuss now are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi.
Colon, ER, yeah. Stop it. Fine. We are going to see all the cell organelle. Which are these? The first one is endoplasmic reticulum, ER, what we call Golgi apparatus. First one is endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Second one, Golgi apparatus. Another also called complex, Golgi complex. Also we can say third one, the YS, we have lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles, sixth one. Many we have actually. We have many, for the importantly, they have given you only 5 to 6 types. But we have, more than 20 types of cell organelle are there. You will study in the PUC first year. Fine. I want next Tayaba. Tayaba, can you read? Tayaba.
Yes, sir.
So read. Read that from endoplasmic.
Endoplasma recallers. The endoplasma recallers are ER is large network of membrane bound tubes and sheets. It looks like long tubes around or oblong bags vessels. The endoplasma membrane is similar in structure to the plasma membrane. There are two types of endoplasma rough endoplasmic reticular endoplasm and smooth endoplasma retorix are looks rough under a microscope because it has particles called ribosomes attached to its surface. The ribosomes, which are present in all activity cells, are sheets of protein membrane future. The membrane future projects are then set to various places in the cell dependent on need. Using the endoplasmic reticulum, the sheets helps in the manufacture of the fat molecules of oral lipids important for cell function. Some of these promotes and lipids help in building the cell membrane biologic. Some other of function has anoxy and humulants orthot the various general in appearance in different cell. It always form a network system.
Stop. Endoplasmic reticulum is nothing but a very helpful for a cell. Say whatever required materials are there like carbon dioxide, food molecules and water molecules, everything a cell requires compulsory to maintain itself as a living being. Think about it. So these all will be transferred by whom in the cell? These are nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. Why this only cell organ will be first given to you after the nucleus? It's very important. Okay, as we have explained in the last class in the office room, principal chamber, office room is very most important place, right? After that, there only we say workers are important. Right? See, these all are workers. Endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, and all things. So endoplasmic reticulum is also called ER. It contains rough endoplasmic reticulum as well as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What does this actually means? Rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, what will be there? It will be containing now with this considering this will be the nucleus. Okay, this is the nucleus. So whatever materials from the nucleus or this is the whole cell consideration, the whole cell. So whatever the waste materials are, it takes out of the cell, it takes in of the cell, and it is the target material. Target material, what we say. It's called target material. So this is what the endoplasmic reticulum works. The rough endoplasmic reticulum, why it is called? Because it attaches some bubble-like structures, the ribosomes it is, okay? Ribosomes. RIBOS and ribosomes. Ribosomes, what we call. Those are attached with them like this. These are called rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the endoplasmic reticulum tubule structures which doesn't contain, okay, which doesn't contain the ribosomes on it. We call them as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, I want Prajwal. Can you read? Prajwal,
Sir,
go on reading them.
thus one function of the ER in the serve as channels for the transport of materials, especially proteins, between various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The ER also functions as a cytoplasmic framework, providing a surface for some of the biochemical activities of the cell in the liver cells of the group of animals called vertebrates. See chapter 7. SCR plays a circular role in the
Stop. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum SER means. SER plays a crucial role. Okay, it's a crucial role in the detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Very important. This is like that only we have lysosomes also. I'll tell you suicide bags for those are called. But smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they fight against the poisons whatever enter into the cells. Okay, thousands of innumerable of cells we have. In every cells we see endoplasmic reticulum, very most important component, okay, in the cell. That what's these all the things what it does actually. Next we will see Golgi apparatus. I want Kiran, can you read? Kiran K.
Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus first described by Camillo
Stop.
Golgi consists.
Stop. Fine. Sonali. Sonali, can you read? Saujanya. Sri Raksha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read on then. We'll stop. Golgi apparatus.
Yes, sir. The Golgi apparatus, first described by Camillo Golgi, consists of a system of membrane-bound vessels arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks called cisterns. These membranes often have connections with the membranes of ER and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. The material synthesized near the ER is packaged and dispatched to various targets. Inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus, it functions include the storage, modification, and packaging of products in vessels. In some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars. In the Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of lysosomes.
Stop. Listen. Golgi apparatus actually looks like this. Complex stacks one over the other. One cisternae over the other, one cisternae over the other. Okay, whatever the materials in the endoplasmic reticulum which is available here now, those all will be taken by the Golgi apparatus. This whole set is known as Golgi apparatus. Okay, whatever materials are there, these all will be taken by the Golgi apparatus, and it does function of some kind of production. Given here, see the materials near the ear is packaged and dispatched to various targets inside and outside of the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Okay, its function including the storage and modification of packaging of products in the vesicles. In some cases, complex sugars may be made from simple sugars in the Golgi apparatus. Okay, sugars synthesized, stored in the Golgi apparatus. Why shall we require these all things? These are the very important for us to survive. Whatever we eat, rice, jawar or wheat, whatever we eat, no, those all contain starch in them. And starch is nothing but glucose molecule, big molecule of a glucose, and everything whatever we eat. Next chapter it's there, photosynthesis. I'll tell you there. Okay, but sorry, next year, life process chapter, we will be seeing photosynthesis. I'll explain you there how the glucose is very important to the body. Glucose means, don't imagine that's the sugar or sweetness. Even though your wheat, jawar, every rice all contains glucose in them. These all things, whatever we eat after digestion, it is stored in the cells in the Golgi apparatus. Okay, keep in your mind. So full stop. Remaining all we will see in the next class. So have a good day, all of you. 9th standard students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.